Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. A little bit of excitement in my voice for today's video because you've already seen the thumbnail. The Washi Tape Shop. The Washi Tape Shop actually contacted me. Now, if you guys have been with me for more than a year, this time last year I was doing lots of studio vlogs when I had a life before I had a puppy. And I did actually mention in those vlogs how I've become recently obsessed with washi tape, haven't used it yet, and so many of you have actually asked me, have you ever tried washi tape? Now listen, we all know Leah Dear Designs, her work is incredible, and the Washi Tape Shop already worked with Leah. They mentioned her in their email to myself, and of course I said I would absolutely love to try some of your washi tape. So they basically emailed and said, we already work with Leah Dear, would you like to try some? Yes, please. So they sent me over some washi tape. We're going to do an unboxing with you today, and also they have given me a discount code for you all. So all of the details will be in the description box below. If you like what you see here, head over to their website because they have hundreds of washi tapes. Like, it's ridiculous. This is where the choice becomes impossible. Like when you go to an all-you-can-eat buffet and there's just too much choice, so you want it all. Anyway, we're going to do the unboxing here right now, and I'll show you what they sent me. I don't know what they've sent me. I haven't opened it yet, but check out the description box if you would like a discount code for the Washi Tape Shop. This is exciting. I haven't tried it in resin. Of course, I've seen Leah's designs. We shall see. Let's get into it. Let me just tell you all right now, I might get a bit excited, okay? Doing this voiceover, I have to let you know I was not ready. I was not ready for the beauty that is the world of washi tapes. I talked about it last year in my vlog, but I was not ready. I didn't even know half of these products existed, okay? Now listen, at first glance, I thought this was one big roll of washi tape because that's how my brain works. This is the Stargazer washi tape. Now, when the Washi Tape Shop first emailed me, I did ask them if it was possible for them to send star-themed, space-themed, or nebula-themed washi tape, because I do want to do a series on some nebula designs. And when it came to opening it up, I realised it was lots of individual, smaller washi tapes, and I was happy about that. I was really happy about that. First up, we have this beautiful, whimsical cloud design with some metallic gold. This one is stunning. We have the star signs, moons, shooting stars, we have leaves, and it's almost like a chameleon ombre in purple and blue. Next up, we have this design. This is giving me New Year's Eve chandelier vibes, and it's got the stars and the moons on it, again with metallic. This one here, beautiful. We've got planets, we've got comets, asteroids, shooting stars, nebula, whatever you want to call it, we've got it all in this one washi tape. This one straight away took me right back to Twilight. Tell me why. With the cactus and very much Arizona dark night sky, beautiful. Now this is where it got interesting. PET tape. I didn't know what this was. I know, I should have, but I didn't. And on first glance, I opened it up and I thought, wait, this is plastic. This is plastic. So like my brain and washi tape, I always thought washi tape were paper designs on a paper tape. Here we are. I was not ready for this, okay? I was just rolling it out like, what? I was just blown away at the most beautifully intricate designs on these leaves, the feathers, the roses, everything about this, the wreath. And then I was like, wait, this must be tape, right? I know, guys, I'm useless, okay? I'll admit it. But I was thinking this must be a sticky tape, or we just cut it out and put it in flat resin. Yeah, I was new to this, okay? And then it wasn't long before I worked out this is a sticky tape, and all of those sections can be cut out as individual stickers. Stop it. Okay, next up we have the poinsettia or the poinsettia tape. Again, the PET tape. Look at this. My mouth was drooling. All I could think of was Christmas, because we all love a good poinsettia plant at Christmas. Just beautiful. The illustrations, the designs, the wreath. Look at this wreath with all the berries. And honestly, my brain started going wild. This is another one. Stunning florals. Absolutely beautiful. Sunflowers, daisies, the butterflies, they look like peonies, leaves, so botanical, but the butterflies were beautiful. I've said it before on my channel, I'm not big, mad into butterflies, but this is stunning. And look at this one. It was just too beautiful for my mind to, you know, wrap my head around. Next up, we have the floral wave. Again, all of these stunning illustrations, more butterflies in here, more botanicals, the leaves, the flowers, the tulips even. Oh my gosh, honestly, I wish I knew the name for all of these flowers, but I don't. I'm not going to sit here and pretend I even Googled, but they're just beautiful. That's all I needed to know. And there's so much on each roll as well. Next up, we have sunflower and navy. Now, we all know yellow and navy go well, but this one blew my mind. They look like forget-me-not flowers mixed in with stunning sunflowers, blue roses, the wreath, the leaves. Everything about this was a wow for me. I absolutely loved this one. Next up, copper wide. Again, I'll be honest, guys, the more I rolled out the washi tape, the more I thought there's not even a repeat pattern here. It just keeps getting better and better. So again, I don't know if the pattern does repeat itself after a certain amount of images, but this one was a wow. And oh my gosh, it's just the detail. They truly look like miniature paintings. Next up, we have the pretty florals. This one here reminded me of when you go online to order a bunch of flowers for a family member or a friend, and you've got all these amazing intense colours, all of these colours put together in one bouquet. That is what this one reminded me of. Again, we've got the leaves, the stems, the stunning wreaths, and just clusters of roses, and even some autumnal flowers in there as well. But here we are, we're on to fall flowers. This one was right up my street. Look at these colours, guys. Look at these colours. I was not ready. You are not ready. I'm sorry, none of us are ready. I hope you're drinking a cuppa right now. We are not ready for what this washi tape offered us. Look at this, the eucalyptus leaves, just giant roses and what looked like a peony-esque flower. But honestly, it was the wreaths. It was the wreaths and the eucalyptus that got my heart singing on this one, and stunning. Next up, we have the autumn rose. Now, the image on the packaging, I thought that's interesting. It's like a photo frame. You stick this out, you cut this out, stick it down in your resin with an image behind it. How beautiful would that be? Again, this is the autumn rose. More flower clusters, more of those leaves, just stunning colours. Pure autumnal golds, browns and greens, and just these oranges. Beautiful. But I was not ready for what's going to come, guys. You were not ready? Take a sip of tea. Pumpkins, stop it. I was sitting there like, oh my gosh. And I know you guys have got an image of the underneath of my chin in a lot of this footage. It's not ideal, okay? Nobody likes that angle of themselves, but here we are. I couldn't. The pumpkins, I was honestly in my head like, what? Oh my gosh, there's more. And it's a different image again. So I don't know how long I have to roll this out for the pattern to repeat itself. This one here did not have a name. So this is the barcode and the barcode number if you want to check it out. I might try and find out what this one is called. But again, we've gone back to just beautiful floral clusters. Very autumnal, I think this one, again with the golds and the browns in the leaves. Just next level beautiful. Now guys, I know you're sitting at home thinking, yeah Claire, where have you been? We've all seen these before. I have never seen these before, okay? Because for me, washi tape was paper. It was paper on a roll. And I have a few small washi tapes, but nothing like this. I'd never heard of this, let alone seen them. I didn't know this kind of product existed. Imagine these in resin. Imagine a multi-layered floral botanical piece. I'm not ready. I'm not ready, but I cannot wait to use these. Now, like I said at the beginning, Gosh guys, the Washi Tape Shop have given me a code for you guys. There is a 10% discount code linked in the description box below. Use it. Use it, because I am actually following them already on Instagram, and I've already seen some washi tapes that have blown my mind. Some PET tapes that have blown my mind. We're talking buildings, people. I can't wrap my head around what is out there, and this is what humbles me. This is what humbles me. I'm forever learning. I have no clue. I'm about 1% in to what is available in the world of art, what can be used in resin specifically. I am 1% in. So honestly, even watching their Instagram, I'll link their Instagram below as well. Watching that, I was like, wait, what? They've got whole scenery, whole scenes of people and shopping and all of these things going on that I just knew nothing about. Even though I was following the Washi Tape Shop, we all know that we don't always see the feed. And guys, I'm excited. That's all I've got to say. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I truly did not know what to expect. I fully expected a box full of paper tape, which would have been stunning in itself. But to receive these, something I've never seen or heard of, the options, the possibilities are endless, limitless, and I feel like washi tape might be my new personality. I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Check out the description box. I am so excited to venture on this washi tape PET tape journey. Did I have to Google PET tape? Yes, I did. It's like a polyester tape. So yeah, we're good now. We're good now. I will see you all tomorrow for my next video. Bye.